Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create custom floor in Revit. Okay, so first I'm going to change the Init Type UN, and then from here I'm going to centimeter. Okay, so let's create a floor in here. From here change the floor that have at least 2 layer. So let's use rectangle, and then let's draw one rectangle in here, and maybe maybe 150 by 150. Yeah, okay, like this, and then finish. So let's select the floor and go to 3D and look and how it look like this. Okay, and now select this and click create part. Okay, and then the white part, and now it's divided to a different layer. Let's edit to sketch, and then let's go back to the level 1, and now in here create your own pattern. Okay, and design which kind of pattern do you like. Okay, so I'm going to create something like this. So let's find the center of this. Okay, let's use an arc. Maybe like this. So let's again mirror this. Okay, again let's mirror this again, because I want to just create the exact this arc in here. So the best method is to error. Okay, so I don't need this two line, and let's delete. Now select this two and let's rotate, make a copy. Let's start from here, come to here. Okay, this is the pattern that I want to create my floor like this. So let's delete this line, I don't need that. Okay, again let's select all of them, and then copy and paste in here. Okay, after finish, let's finish. So before that finish, you have to close all around this the floor. Okay, like this, you have to close that. Okay, and then finish. So it's like that, and then finish. Let's go to 3D. It's like this. Okay, so now let's change the material of this each part. Okay, first select like this. If you make a mistake like this, and select this. Okay, and check this box, and let's create new material for this. It means that we change the color of that. Okay, to make my pattern. So let's rename this. Let's white color, something like that. And so let's find something material from here. Yeah, let's select this cool white and then close, apply, and okay, let's change the color to white. Let's apply. Yeah, it's a look like this. Okay, so now let's select the second part like that, and then go to the material and make a material. Let's something a black color like this. Okay, this is the method that how to create a custom floor and Revit. If you know different design or pattern, by following this method you can create it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.